We live in a world that is obsessed with perfection. Perfect body, perfect career, perfect social media life, perfect English, perfect success story. From childhood, we are told one silent rule: do not fail. If you fail in school, you feel ashamed. If you fail in business, you feel embarrassed. If you fail in relationships, you feel broken. Failure feels like something dirty, something we must hide. We delete mistakes, we hide weakness, we pretend everything is fine. But here is the truth. Perfection creates pressure, pressure creates fear, fear stops growth, and slowly, we begin to believe, if I break, I lose my value. But what if that belief is wrong? What if breaking does not reduce your value? What if it increases it? In Japan, there is a secret that challenges everything we believe about failure, and that secret is called Kintsugi.
Imagine a beautiful ceramic bowl, smooth surface, clean design, simple, elegant. Now imagine it falls. It hits the floor, it shatters. Most people would say, it's over, throw it away, buy a new one. But in Japan, something very different happens. Instead of throwing the broken bowl away, they collect every single piece. They do not rush, they do not panic, they do not feel ashamed of the cracks. Then something magical begins. They repair the bowl using lacquer mixed with gold powder. Not glue, not invisible repair, gold. They do not hide the cracks, they highlight them. When the bowl is finished, something surprising happens. It is no longer just a bowl. It is more beautiful than before. The cracks shine. The damage becomes art. This art is called Kintsugi, and it carries a powerful message. Breakage is not the end. It is part of the story.
Now let's compare two reactions. Western mindset: if something breaks, hide it. If something fails, replace it. If someone makes a mistake, criticize it. Success means no cracks. Now look at the Kintsugi mindset. If something breaks, repair it with gold. If something fails, learn from it. If someone makes a mistake, honor the lesson. Success includes cracks. This is a completely different way of seeing life. In many cultures, scars are weakness. In Kintsugi, scars are proof of survival. Think about your own life. Maybe you failed an exam. Maybe you were rejected from a job. Maybe your business did not work. Maybe someone laughed at your speech. Those moments felt like cracks. But what if those cracks are not damage? What if they are gold lines waiting to appear? The difference is not in the event. The difference is in the meaning you give to it.
Failure does not only hurt our ego, it touches something deeper. When we fail, our brain reacts as if we are in danger. We feel shame, fear, embarrassment, self-doubt. Our body becomes tense. Our thoughts become negative. We ask ourselves, why am I not good enough? Why did this happen to me? Maybe I should stop trying. The real pain of failure is not the event. It is the story we tell ourselves after the event. If you fail once and say, I am a failure, the crack becomes permanent damage. But if you fail once and say, this is part of my growth, the crack becomes a gold line. Kintsugi teaches us something powerful. It says, you are not ruined by your breaks. You are shaped by them. Pain can destroy you, or pain can design you. The choice is not in the failure. The choice is in the repair.
Look at your past. Every struggle you survived, every rejection, every embarrassment, every difficult conversation. They did not end you. They changed you. Maybe you became stronger. Maybe you became wiser. Maybe you became more patient. Maybe you became more humble. Those are gold lines. Think about someone you admire. Are they perfect? No. They have failed many times, but their failures became part of their strength. Confidence does not come from never failing. Confidence comes from surviving failure. Imagine two people. One has never failed. The other has failed many times but kept going. Who is stronger? The second one, because they know they can survive. That is real power. And that is Kintsugi. Your scars are not something to hide. They are proof that you tried. They are proof that you lived. They are proof that you did not quit.
Now the important question. How do we apply Kintsugi to our life? First, stop hiding your cracks. Talk about your struggles. Accept your mistakes. Do not pretend you are perfect. Second, change your language. Instead of saying, I failed, say, I learned. Instead of saying, I am bad at this, say, I am improving. Small language changes create big mental shifts. Third, repair with gold. Gold means meaning. Ask yourself, what did this failure teach me? How did this experience make me stronger? What skill did I gain? Every failure contains information. If you extract the lesson, the failure becomes valuable. Fourth, keep the cracks visible. Do not erase your past. Let your story inspire others. When people see that you struggled but continued, they feel hope. Your weakness becomes someone else's strength. That is power. Not loud power, not aggressive power, quiet power, deep power, unbreakable power. Close your eyes for a moment. Think about one crack in your life, one painful memory, one failure you still feel ashamed of. Now imagine filling that crack with gold. Imagine seeing it as proof of courage, because trying requires courage. Failing requires courage. Starting again requires courage. In Japan, broken pottery is often more valuable after Kintsugi. Not less valuable, more valuable. Why? Because it has history, it has character, it has resilience. And so do you. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming. The cracks in your life are not the end of your story. They are the design of your strength. Maybe your failures are not signs to stop. Maybe they are signs that you are shaping into something rare, something deeper, something golden. So the next time you fail, do not throw yourself away. Repair yourself with gold.